Patreon, how are you guys doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you very much for being here, as always. This video, I want to talk to you about something I did last night. You may notice, if you're very aware, that this Condor Summit Zero soft shell jacket looks a little bit different. Yes, it does. The Velcro is a different color. And, probably didn't notice, but this jacket was OD green. Well, the OD green that they use and a lot of people use is a little too light for my tastes. I like a little bit of a darker color. So what did I do? I dyed it, and I'm very happy with the color now. It made it a little bit darker, and I'm going to show you something else I did also. So this was dyed with this. That dye is for synthetic fibers. You can get it at Walmart, you can get it at Michael's, you can get it at craft stores, stuff like that. So this jacket was dyed for about, I think maybe about 15 minutes. Now, I could have left it in for about 20, 25 minutes and probably been a little happier with the outcome, but I like the outcome. It turned out, you know, a little bit darker, not quite so green and or bright. So anyway, that's the first thing I wanted to show you. Very, very happy with it. The next thing I'm happy with, I'm very happy, I'm even more happy with the way it turned out is, just a sec, hold on, I'm gonna show you this. This is the proper tactical response uniform, TRU. How it turned out, it was OD green. And it turned out this, hopefully you can see the color in the lighting and stuff like that. It is a kind of like a breen, a brown green. What I was hoping for is I was hoping for more of a Ranger green. This turned out a little darker and a little more brown. But I left this one in about 20 minutes. So if I would have left this one in for about 10 minutes, and if I would have left the coat in for 20 minutes, I kind of, you know, learning process, but that's what we do. So that's how we learn, and that's why I'm teaching you guys. If you want to get this kind of effect out of you, some OD green stuff that you don't necessarily care about, or that old didn't camouflage anywhere army camouflage, what I would do with that is I haven't really tried it too many ways, but I would probably take like a lighter green, like a verde green, and maybe like a medium brown or something like that, and I would mix the dyes together and dye it, and then maybe you'd come up with something a little bit like this. But yeah, lessons learned from me to you is if you're doing a top like this, like a combat top or a blouse or something like that, less time. If you're doing something that's more this kind of fabric, they're both polyester, so I thought it would be very similar, but this fabric's different. This is polyester, stretchy stuff also, I forget what it is. Yeah, so a little bit longer on the jacket, but I really like the way it turned out. I'm really happy with it, even though I wish I would have done a little bit less time. This color is awesome, so I wanted to show you guys this, because you guys will be seeing this jacket, this blouse, in upcoming videos. And I'm gonna put some videos out there, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, to get people to come here and be part of Team AP like you awesome people are. I thank you very much for your support. I really want to try to build Patreon and to be something a little bit more special. And if you've noticed, I should have thrown this ball cap in with this when I was dyeing it. Yes, I should have. Lessons learned, but hey, I can buy another bottle. It's under $5. And once I get some other stuff that I want to dye, I can do it that way. So anyway, I want to build this channel, Patreon here specifically, to be something very special and to really emphasize it, as well as YouTube and other things also. But stand by, because when I get done here, I gotta go help my daughter with her schoolwork and then do another video of something I think you guys will really like. So I'll see you soon. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and blessings to you and yours.